Good day, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to trade on Binance Trading. There are many trading options on Binance. We have the grade trading, we have the liquid swamp, we have the spot trading, we have the pay-to-pay trading, and we have the futures trading. But today we focus on future trading, spot trading, and pay-to-pay trading. Binance is one of the best trading app ever. Binance is one of the best trading app ever. Most secured. Okay, let's go. Let's start with sports. Okay, once you open your Binance app, this is how the home page is. You will see many things. You will see how some coins are performing. Maybe you want to see the gainers. You type gainers. If you want to see the losers. If you want to see the 24-hour change, it's up to you. But that's not what we want to do today. Today, we want to focus on the trading itself. Let's start with spot trading. Okay, once you open the home page, you will see this thread. Just type on the thread. Now you will see the spot trading. Here it is spot. Here it is spot trading. Okay, for instance, you have USDT. Okay, before we proceed to sports, let's start to pay trading. Let's assume you don't have any coin on Binance. In fact, you are new to Binance. That's why you are watching this video, because you are new to Binance. Now, once you are done with registrations, this is how the home page will look like. And you want to start trading, you want to buy some coins, maybe from pay to pay. All you have to do is you tap the trade button, you go to the P2P, otherwise known as pay to pay. Once you tap the P2P, I don't have connection. I have my data to avoid messages from my students. Then they have so many options, which is express and pay to pay. They have pay to pay, they have express. Pay to pay has more options where you can pay with PayPal, Perfect Money. You can pay with bank transfers. You can pay with Cash App. You can pay with gift card, etc. But I prefer Express, because in Express, no stress. Express, you can only buy with Express through your. You can only buy Express. You can only buy from Express if the person is the same country with you, and it's only done through bank transfer. That's why I prefer the express. Maybe if you have other means of payment like PayPal, Perfect Money, Cash App, and the rest, you will choose pay to pay. But if you want to do transfer via bank, okay, if you want to pay via bank transfer, then I recommend Express, very fast. Okay, if you're using Express, you want to buy, USDT, you want to buy BTC, you want to buy BUSD, you want to buy BNB. It's up to you. But if you want to buy USDT, if you want to buy 10,000 USD, you type 10,000, you type buy with zero fee. Then once this page opens, you will see many options. You will see the seller where you transfer the money to, etc. Maybe once this page opens, you're gonna see the seller that has this amount of coin that is willing to sell. Oh yeah, you will see the seller contact, mobile number, and the rest. Okay. Then let's assume now that you already have the coin and you want maybe that you have USDT, and you want to buy USDT and you want to buy TWT with USDT. All you have to do is you come here, type TWT with USD, you will type here which is buy. Then if you want to buy with the 10,000 USDT, it's up to you. If you want to buy with just 10 USDT, it's up to you. If you want to buy with 1,000, it's up to you. So once you are okay, if you want to buy with 100%, you type the 100%. If you want to buy with just 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, it's up to you. That is all about sports trading. Okay guys, if you want to do the futures trading, in these futures, that is where you made money. But at the same time, you can lose all your money. Yeah. But before you trade on the future, you have to transfer your coin, your USD, from your spot to your futures account. That's very simple. You can do that by clicking on wallets. Okay, my data is off. Okay, let's continue with futures. You will transfer your coin from spot to your futures account. Maybe if you want to trade with, okay, like for instance, okay, let's stop here for the day. Next, our next video will be on how to make money on future. You already know how to buy, how to trade using pay to pay. And also on our next video, we will show you how to avoid scammers on pay to pay. Our next videos, we're gonna show you many things, but but since it is free, all all we ask for you is to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment and share to your friends. This one is just the beginning. Our next video, we will show you how to avoid scammers on pay to pay. Detailed things you need to know about pay to pay and how you can make money with futures trading, spot trading, grain trading, and the rest. For you not to miss out, all you have to do is just subscribe so that they will notify you once we drop the video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be better than this video. And with that, our next video, you can trade with $10 and make $1,000. Anticipate. We love you.